bees as we can in there. We'll get most of them. And then we'll take the, you got a marshmallow?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. We'll take there's a plug in there, as you know, there's a cork in the queen. We'll take that out, put the marshmallow in there, hang that down here between two frames here.
So that's the way you do it too then?
Yep.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of people doing that.
Yep. I either use a marshmallow, don't have marshmallow, we make up, powdered sugar, sift powdered sugar. Make
okay. Yeah, I do the powdered sugar and water.
Yeah, so now the bees are going to fly around. They're going to be kind of aggravated. So after the bees get settled down in the hive, you'll be able to come over here and stay on the flight path, and they won't bother you.
Elsie, you don't have to go that far away. You can actually watch this.
Yeah, you can watch from here. They're not going to go far. You want to take this out, or do you want me to?
Actually, I can.
All right, and I'll just kind of stand here and walk you through it. It's just Have you got that on video now, or?
I do.
Oh, cool.
We wanted to show family what new thing we're doing.
Absolutely.
This thing's full of bees in here too.
What's that?
The can.
It's got water in it.
Oh, is it?
Sugar water. That's what they feed on.
Oh man, this one's in there.
Yeah, twist it a little bit and see it. There you go. There you go. Okay. Cool. I always set that up.
Set that in there.
I set that up too. I'm going to lay it right here for now. Yeah. So
it's fine. They're not going to hurt me.
Just start dumping them and shaking them. They'll get mad, but they'll go down in there.
My grandparents used to do this.
We've got a bee brush. We can, sweep
Oh yeah, I left mine in the other car. The guy pulled this out and he goes, "There's hardly any dead ones out of this." He's got a couple dozen beehives out here in the view.
Oh yeah? Well, that's a good place to call it. Don't be afraid to bang it and shake it. I mean, they're mad already, so you're not going to get them any madder.
There you go. I was talking to one where this guy has a swarm as big as my Suburban.
Oh man!
And they put like a bunch of these on a tarp and all that, and we're collecting them. It was pretty neat. Oh, the queen. Oh, that's the queen that they're stuck on.
Yeah.
You're fine, Elsie. Okay, well then just go a little farther.
Yeah, just.
Come on, guys. I've heard sometimes you just kind of put it over here too. And
You won't get them all out.
Yeah.
You won't get them. I'm going to let them out.
Come on, guys.
You think they're angry now?
Yeah.
Wait till you rob them.
There we go. We just got out.
We didn't look at me, did you?
No, it fell on the ground.
Oh, okay. That's why they put a fork in there.
I put it in my pocket.
Okay.
They said to keep warm. It's kind of fascinating. I mean, some of the stuff we've been reading, it's like, they've been pulling honey out of clay jars in Egyptian tombs.
Yep.
And all they have to do is warm it up and it's still good. These were supposed to be here on Thursday, the day the baby was born. So it's like, thank God that they didn't come that day.
The first ones I knew coming in were Saturday. It was Saturday and today's delivery.
We were supposed to have ours on Thursday. But it got delayed. I guess there was a shipping problem.
That's good enough. You lay it there and they'll find their way out.
I'm gonna put a little water thing with rocks in here, in the front of it for these guys.
Okay. Let's see. Got your they'll cluster right around it right away.
These ones came pretty waxed.
See that? So, get your marshmallow out. Norman doesn't try to get away. Boy, I like it. You know, my last two queens haven't been marked, but I like it when the queen's marked.
I didn't see if she was marked. I think she was supposed to be.
She's not.
No.
Normally there's a yellow dot, yellow or red dot on the back.
Yeah.
Makes it easier to find.
She's a little bit bigger.
She's bigger, but you know, when there's thousands of queens in there,
She's hard to find.
she's hard to find. Okay. Just hang it in there, make it wire so it'll hold over a frame. There you go, there you go. And then just make a, make a hook so it sits over there. And just set her in there. Cover on. You try not to kill bees, but
yeah,
there's thousands.
There's so
of bees.
many of these guys. Look, yeah, look at the lid over here.
Yeah. Now we need to put our feed inside here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now have you got?
Box.
Okay, good. I've got one feeder that I just.
Now, is it supposed to constantly drip, or is it only when they lick it?
No, it will drip when you put it. Then, then it creates its own vacuum.
Yeah. I just didn't know if I could put them on too big, or I don't think I did. I mean, I tried to keep them as small as I could.
I don't think so. I'll tell you what, they'll clean up any stuff. They'll clean that sugar water up, so don't worry about that. It will.
Actually, I think that tripod was
I think three's all you need. You got plenty because you got two feeders. And let's go ahead and you can leave the can outside or put it on something outside.
I can leave this out for later too.
Sure.
Or
No, go ahead and put that one in. Get them. You want them to take as much feed as you can. Get them. Start.
That's why I decided to do 2.
Yeah.
Some guy said he put like 4 in his one year, and it went just berserk with taking off early.
Yeah, you can also put quart jars. You got quart jars?
No.
Okay.
We actually went and bought these. It was cheaper to buy today a dozen of these than it was just to buy the lids.
You're kidding me.
It was $8.49 for a dozen. It was like $7.49.
Well, you need something to put honey in anyway.
Exactly.
So yeah, you never go wrong with jars. Okay.
Oops. Yeah, that some people just put that in there.
I never have. I've always laid it outside, and within a day or two, it'll be
Empty.
Actually, by tonight. They'll know where home is. That'd be interesting to know. I have a problem with chickens pecking on phones. It'd be interesting. But I'd be interested to find out how these phones, here, how I've heard of it, but I've never known anybody use it.
Well, the guy who I bought the piece from, he's 3 generations of
Yeah, yeah.
And he said he would use wood very I'll use these now. And I figured maybe I'll go, you know, the house floor? What's that?
You also want to put a rock.
Oh, to hold it down?
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, I
wind from blowing it up.
I also just put eyeballs.
Running?
Yeah.
Well, let me stand back and take a...
I put eyeballs. Here's what put that ratchet strap.
Oh, okay, okay. So,
Elsie, you could probably come over here a little closer now. No? There's a whole bunch
you don't think you want to come over here? They're swarming.
This one's trying to kiss me. Oh. Here's one already looking for stuff on the pine tree.
Okay. Wow.
You know, I didn't want to keep the cottonwoods, but I guess the bees like the top of the cottonwoods.
They do, and they're blooming. Yeah, everything's blooming now, so they're going to be... At some point in time, they'll just quit taking sugar water.
A whole bag of wildflower seeds I'm spreading back here too. So.
Cool. Well, there's your first hive hived.
Ready, Elsie? We're done.
I normally wait about 2 days and go check the queen, make sure she should be out in 2 days. They'll start eating that.
She'll eat it from the inside and they'll eat it from the outside.
Yeah, yeah. Cool. We're out soon. And